This is our multiples practice for our test coming up. And this worksheet puts multiples on the Venn diagram. Now multiples are the bigger number that include the goal number in the problem, and then the multiple is the answer. So when we're looking for, the first one is multiples of 3 and multiples of 2. We're looking for a number that when I use 3 in the problem, so 3 times something, my answer is a multiple of 3. So for example, if I look at 3, I know 3 times 1 is 3. So 3 is a multiple. 3 is not a multiple of 2 because nothing times 3 will give me 4. 2 times 2 gives me 4, so 4 is a multiple of 2. For 6, 3 times 2 is 6, so 6 is a multiple of 3, and 2 times 3 is 6, so 6 is a multiple of both of them. For 8, nothing times 3 is 8, but 2 times 4 is 8, so 8 is a multiple of 2. For 12, I know 3 times 4 is 12, and 2 times 6 is 12, so 12 is a multiple of both. 15, 3 times 5 is 15, and nothing times 2 is 15, so 15 is a multiple of just 3. Nothing times 3 is 16, but 2 times 8 is 16, so 16 is a multiple of 2. And 24, I can do 3 times 8 or 2 times 12, so 24 is a multiple of both numbers. Our next one. For it to be a multiple of 10, it has to end in 0. So none of these 12, 24, 36, or 48 will be a multiple of 10. But all 4 of them are multiples of 6. 6 times 2 is 12. 6 times 4 is 24. 6 times 6 is 36, and 6 times 8 is 48. Looking at the other ones, nothing times 6 is 20, so it is only a multiple of 10. 5 times 6 is 30, and 10 times 3 is 30, so it's a multiple of both. Nothing times 6 is 40, but 10 times 4 is 40. And 6 times 10 is 60, and 10 times 6 is 60. So 60 is a multiple of both of them. For 2 and 7, well, 2 times 1 is 2, and if it's smaller than 7, it can't be a multiple of it, so that works for 4 too. 2 times 2 is 4. Nothing times 7 will give me a smaller number. But 7 times 1 is 7, so that can go on that side. Nothing times 2 is 7. 7 times 2 is 14, and 2 times 7 is 14, so it goes in the middle because it works for both of them. Nothing times 2 is 21, but 7 times 3 is 21. 2 times 14 is 28, and 7 times 4 is 28, so it goes for both of them. 2 times 15 is 30, nothing times 7 is 30, so 30 is just on the 2 side. And because 35 is odd, it can't be a multiple of 2, but 7 times 5 is 35, so it goes on that side. My next one is 3 and 8. 3 times 8 is 24, and 8 times 3 is 24, so it starts in the middle. 3 times 9 is 27, and nothing times 8 is 27, so it's only a multiple of 3. 8 times 4 is 32, and nothing times 3 is 32. But 3 times 11 is 33. Nothing times 8 is 33. 3 times 12 is 36, and nothing times 8 is 36. Nothing times 3 is 40, but 8 times 5 is 40. And 3 does go to 48. It is times 16, and 6 times 8 is 48, so it goes in the middle. And nothing times 3 is 6, but 8 times 7 is 56. So it is on that side. And our last two, again, it can't be less than 9 and be a multiple of 9. Of 2. 9 is odd, so it can't be a multiple of 2, but it is a multiple of 9. 18, I can do 2 times 9 is 18, and 9 times 2 is 18. 27, again, is odd, so it can't be a multiple of 2, but it is a multiple of 9. 9 times 3. 36, I can do 2 times 18, or I could do 9 times 4. So 36 goes in the middle. 42, I can do 2 times 21, but nothing times 9 is 42. And 45 is odd, so it won't work. Times 5 is 45. And for my multiples of 4 and 6, again, it can't be smaller, so 4 is only on this side. Nothing times 4 is 6, but 6 times 1 is 6. I can do 4 times 3 is 12, and 6 times 2 is 12, so it goes into the middle. Nothing times 4 is 18, but 6 times 3 is 18. 4 times 5 is 20, and nothing times 6 is 20. 4 times 6 is 24, and 6 times 4 is 24, so it goes in the middle. 4 times 8 is 32, nothing times 6 is 32, so it's only on the 4 side. And 4 times 9 is 36, and 6 times 6 is 36, so both of them can get to 36, so it goes in the middle. So remember, our multiples are big. Use what we're looking at as part of the problem, and the multiple is the answer.